Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Honda Civic. First, gather essential safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are in park or neutral with their engines off. Turn off all accessories in both cars, including lights and radio, to prevent electrical surges. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth jumpstart process for everyone involved. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Honda Civic battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. These connections are crucial for a successful power transfer. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your dead Honda Civic, away from the battery. This provides a ground connection. Once connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. After waiting, try to start your Honda Civic. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a bit longer before trying again. Once your Honda Civic starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your car. Then, disconnect the black clamp from the good battery's negative terminal. Next, remove the red clamp from the good battery's positive terminal. Finally, take off the red clamp from your Honda Civic's positive terminal. Remember to check the description for the link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.